Hello friends, if you have some problem with this machine and your thread comes out from this needle while sewing, then and you can't figure out what the problem is, then you should focus on this part. If there are any scratches here, then your this is the main reason your thread is coming out while sewing the cloth. So how to fix this? First of all, watch it very keenly. There are some scratches. How these scratches came? While sewing, like machine squeeze like this. Okay. Then some scratches comes while working. Okay. What you can do is use sellotape. Okay. Use sellotape. Then put some sellotape here every time you sew here so that it can get smooth and don't get tingled here. And every time you stop the machine, change the position of sellotape, but the area should be smooth. Okay, this is the main problem. If your machine quality is very low or whatever, if you excessively use the machine. Second problem can be of related to thread, right? If you place thread inappropriately, then that might be the reason. Okay, thank you.